Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a little installation guide on how to do the installation for Twitch Mechanic. You should get this zip file. The zip file will contain these folders. It will not look like this. You need to install Python 3.10. So you're gonna go here, Python 3.10, Windows install, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the Windows release for Python. We're gonna get this release right here. Once you have Python installed, you can install this, and it's very easy. So we're going to copy our directory. See how we have our directory here. We copy this directory, okay? And now we're going to open a PowerShell, fresh PowerShell. What we're going to do is type cd in the directory. Now we're in our directory where we can install packages and files. So the files and packages that we need can be installed like this. So basically, you say pip install dot, and that should install all the files required. Okay. Now you do Twitch plays LL. You should be able to do this. Twitch plays LLM run, and that should run the program. So when you get this error right here, this error means that you don't have an API key in your config file. So what we need to do, remember that folder we were just in? Okay, so we open the config file. Well, we need a bot token for here. Well, how do you get this bot token up? Okay, so we're gonna go to Twitch bot token generator and put that into Google. And the first one, it should say Spiffy Spiffy. You click this one, you click chatbot token. When you click this, it'll validate. You have to click go to Twitch and then come back to here. And you validate the site, you get your access token right here. Now, once you got your access token for this one, you need to go to OpenAI and get your access token. Now, OpenAI costs money, so you need to be aware of that. You click create new secret key, okay? And then we're going to copy that secret key all the way over here. Right here where it says OpenAI in the config.json. Okay? So I'm gonna pretend like I did that. I can't show y'all my keys, right? So I'm gonna delete this one and we're gonna put my real one in here. So we're gonna do cut, and I'll put my one of my real keys in here. And then now we're gonna try that command again and see if it runs. Okay, so you can see I'm logged in as Freedom DAO with that user ID on Twitch. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna validate the bot's actually running. We're gonna go to my channel, and then we're gonna go to my chat room and see it. See, and there it started talking. So there you go. Thank you guys. Thank you, Retro Anonymous. Huge shout out to Matthew and X Phoenix as well, who helped design and literally build 95 or 99% of this code. So I appreciate their help. I appreciate their cooperation. I appreciate them letting me do the code jam with them. Thank y'all. Thank you for listening.